watching you eat grain. I used to wheeze like a nerd, and when I felt my face had burning pain, Lord, it made me avoid birds. After the day I met ya, life was so unkind. Not even KFC for $4.99. 'Cause you make me sneeze, you make me sneeze, you make me sneeze, because you are a chicken. When my sinus pressure just calmed down, you came to irritate it. I didn't know if I had some disease till my doctor diagnosed it. Now I know why my brain throbs and why my skin has sores. My skin's exposed to poultry feathers, spores.